Have you ever been at the checkout, eyeing an item, and been tempted by a buy now, pay later offer? Those services have completely changed how we shop, but a new player, Younited Pay, is entering the field. On the surface, they might look similar, but they're built on fundamentally different ideas. Let's break down the key distinctions. First, let's look at the BNPL services you already know. Think of a service that lets you split a $200 purchase into 4 interest-free payments of $50 every 2 weeks. These services are fantastic for smaller purchases, and the approval process is usually instant and involves a soft credit check, if any at all. This makes them quick and accessible for almost everyone. But there's a trade-off. Their pay-in-4 model is a short-term fix. What if your purchase is a lot bigger? What if you need more time to pay it off? This is where traditional BNPL services hit their limit. They're not designed for a major appliance, a new home improvement project, or a high-end electronic device. And that's the space where Younited Pay steps in. They're not a BNPL service in the typical sense. They're an instant credit provider. This means they are an actual, regulated credit institution. While BNPL services are often unregulated, Younited Pay operates under the same rules as a bank. This allows them to do a few things that standard BNPL can't. They can handle much larger purchases, up to €50,000, and offer much longer repayment periods, sometimes up to 84 months. Instead of a short-term loan, they're providing a consumer loan. Their process is still fast, often just a few minutes, thanks to technology that securely links to your bank account to assess your creditworthiness. So, here's the core difference: BNPL is for small, short-term needs. You want a new pair of shoes? BNPL is a great fit. But if you're looking at a new sofa or a major home renovation, Younited Pay provides a regulated, long-term financing solution that the BNPL model just can't support. It's a fundamental difference in scale and purpose. BNPL is a quick payment method, Younited Pay is a full-fledged financial solution.